things like it is the Bitcoin, and things like it is the equivalent of the red pill.
This is a technology, it's a computing language, and I can build an app on it.
Is Bitcoin the currency of the future?
Crypto gang, it's the game, big game, all game, light game, cash game, blockchain, whoa. I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man. No. Chew 'em up like bubble gum. No. Just made a meal with my pocket change. No. Wreck about to go and join the huddle gang. Huddle gang, huddle gang, huddle gang. Crypto gang, it's the game, big game, all game, light game, cash game, blockchain, whoa. I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man. No. Chew 'em up like bubble gum. No. Just made a meal with my pocket change. No. Wreck about to go and join the huddle gang. Huddle gang, huddle gang, huddle gang. Ethereum pays for my rent. Bitcoin pays for the vent. Litecoin pays for the jet. Bitcoin cash for the rest. Spent 30 racks on an ICO. What coin did you buy? I forgot, yo. Just got started last night, bro. And I'm already hooked like a pipe though. Flipping the coin, making it grow, taking it slow, letting it go. Cash flows grow.
All right, guys. Welcome to another episode of the Coin King video. I just want to play a quick intro to that particular song because that's the song that actually came out in December, probably like around 2017. This is actually the one that actually got me excited about the crypto market. All right, so I wasn't into the crypto market just to make money or get rich or whatever. I got on there because of of all the people, all the news and everything, and also watching this song, and just basically looking at the technology that's taking place, like the blockchain technology, and the application, everything's being built. For example, like Zilliqa themselves, they were built on Ethereum, and now they have their own mainnet, so it's become its own blockchain. So Ethereum and Zilliqa are the type of business or project that actually fascinates me, and there's something that I really like, and it's kind of like very innovative. It's a game-changing thing, right? So anytime you're developing an application on a blockchain, it's kind of like the whole point is decentralizing everything, right? So to me, like YouTube and Facebook and all that is all part of a centralized type of platform, right? So now I think Web 3.0, because we're on the Web 2.0 right now, right? Web 3.0 is going to be about decentralizing everything, right? No middleman, and blockchain is the key, and this is a new technology that I really like, and I think has a huge promising future, and that's why I want to be a part of it. And this song also, it's funny, but it's at the same time, a lot of people are here to invest and just to get rich and leave, whatever. But there are some people who are smart who actually know that, hey, this could be a new type of thing, like Amazon, Google, and how the internet was. Bitcoin and the technology behind it is what really is going to be the game-changing thing. It's already changing a lot of stuff already anyway. But anyway, I just want to just talk about right quick on this particular song. And it's a funny, hilarious song. You want to watch it, Chris Record, Hollow Gang. You can just check here. It's on YouTube as well. It's a very funny and at the same time pretty realistic as far as the lyrics and what he's talking about. Litecoin, giving a shout out to all the other altcoins and Bitcoin. So check it out when you get a chance. But anyway, this video, let's go ahead and just talk right quick about the market. Last night, of course, Bitcoin. Let's go over the coin market cap and BitMarket Daily. See where we at here. Looks like BitMarket Daily, Bitcoin showing at 9,500. As you can see, last night it was over 10,000. I think I made a video last night. I was predicting that it was going to hit 10,000. And it did right after I recorded the last video. And it stayed there for until I think this morning actually. And then it dipped from almost 10,200 to 9,100, I think, which is that's not surprising to me. That's expected for Bitcoin. It's a good thing that's already bouncing back already. So it's kind of doing a behavior right now that's a little bit different than it used to. A lot of time it dropped from maybe 10,800 or whatever to 6,000 or 7,000. Now that's just crazy. You know what I mean? So it's the way it dropped. You know, a lot of I'm thinking that the market maybe it's starting to reach its like resistant level, right? So I think it's gonna be, if it just go past like maybe 10,800, you know, I think that's gonna run over to 15 to 20,000 easily. And it dipped at 9,100 and now it's 9,500. I think the Bitcoin, the way the pattern is now, I'm predicting that it's going to go over 10,000 a lot sooner than the last time, which was like a few months ago. It may happen this week. It may retest, go back to 10,000, the way it's behaving right now. So, okay. And Ethereum at 237, of course. And Tether, no comment on that. XRP, 20 cents. Bitcoin Cash, 250. Bitcoin SV, which is shit right here, 196. Litecoin 46, Binance Coin 17, EOS 267, Tezo 290. Tezo was like 310 this morning, but hey, it ran with it dropped with Bitcoin. So what was it? And Zilliqa. The only thing is, of course, King Zilliqa, as I mentioned many times, is denying the drop. Look at this. I mean, look at the chart, right? I mean, look at the stat on this baby here. Zilliqa, 0.018202. I think it actually went 0.017 when Bitcoin dropped. It's like Zilliqa look like it's having a mind of its own, right? It's like it's kind of like screw Bitcoin, screw everything else. We're moving up, guys. That's what it feels like. I mean, it's on a like it's on a run basically, and it's just like it just keep on going. You know what I mean? And Zilliqa is showing its strength, and a lot of people are in Zilliqa now, and people buying and holding Zilliqa with the staking that's coming out, the HG exchange, you know, and just it's so many good news coming out, so many partnership. They talk about, I think, a U.S. stablecoin being built on as well. So that's another good news. It's just like so many stuff going on with Zilliqa. It's insane. So yeah, this is definitely a hold for me, as I mentioned many times. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. You know, do your own research and everything. Don't take my word. Don't invest in Zilliqa or any of these projects until you've done your own research, and only invest in what you're willing to lose. Don't go out and go nuts with, you know, mortgage your house and cars and getting rid of your 401. Don't go insane like that. You know, if you have at this time, like, you know, Zilliqa and other stuff, me personally, if I have like maybe 20 to $100 or whatever here and there, I'll just put money into it instead of putting in a saving or whatever. You know, I just put on Zilliqa or Bitcoin. I just buy Zilliqa and Bitcoin, and that's it mainly. That's it. Okay. So anyway, this video, damn, you know, I can't believe it's already 8 minutes. I'm just randomly just talking about stuff. Oh man, but anyway, in this video, really, it was supposed to be more like an inspiring video as far as I want to talk about, and I'm gonna spend maybe a few minutes. I'm not gonna go on and make this video too long. All right, so this video is about motivation, right? Like, why are you in the crypto market, right? And like I said, some people are here for just strictly for the money, which is, you know, that's okay, because those are considered traders, and that's what they do for a living. They want to make money, you know. But then there's someone who wants to make money and also invest in a good project, right? Because long term is gonna be really, really successful for them, and they trying to be, you know, one of the investor for like Facebook or Google or Netflix or whatever, right? So none of those things that I mentioned is gonna be in today's world. Everything's going to be in Web 3.0, right? That's the key. That's what the next big thing is. And Zilliqa is one, and Ethereum is one. I think it's going to pave the way for everything, right? So with that said, I found this article here I want to share with everybody. It was pretty inspiring, of course. I mean, these are like what they call crypto billionaire club, right? These are the folks that actually became 6 crypto entrepreneur making the 2020 Huron billionaire list. So I guess this is kind of like the Forbes listing, I guess, international version of it. Said on Wednesday, the Huron Global Rich ranking, this is a little bit old, okay, but it's still referred to today, like this year, all right? A ranking of the wealthiest individual published its 2020 report that notes the world saw 346 new billionaires last year. This year also includes 6 blockchain entrepreneurs who made the Iran Global Rich list through the cryptocurrency investment. Okay, and said on here that not sure you can read it or not, but let me just read it right quick. The Iran Global Rich List is well known for documenting the wealthiest individual on the planet. And in 2020, there is a record number of billionaires worldwide. And estimated from the list published on Wednesday show a world record of 2,816 billionaires, and China and the U.S. take lead with 1,425 individual billionaires between both countries. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos is the richest man in the world, and has been for the past 3 years. Bezos owns a cool 140 billion, but lost 7 billion last year. Now this article is a little bit low, so he probably lost a lot more because actually I think they gained more because of the coronavirus. But anyway, that's another story. Let's go ahead and just skim through this, because I don't want to just read this whole damn. You can just go to, I think, what is it, news.bitcoin.com and search for the Bitcoin Rich. But as you can see, Peng or CZ, he's number one, right? He's the founder of Binance. He's the wealthiest of the crypto bunch in the Iran report. Of course, it's also pretty likely that there are a few wealthy crypto entrepreneurs not listed this year due to uncertainty. Last year, CZ had 1.3 billion according to his 2019 Iran report, and this year he allegedly got 2.6 billion. Huron notes that the second wealthiest crypto investor is Bitmain co-founder, shocking, Zhang Katan, who reportedly has 1.6 billion as shown in the Huron's report. Last year's report explained that Katan had 2.7 billion, which means Katan is down 1 billion. So he's down, though. So, if you're down in your money, well, think about this guy. He's down like 1 billion. Jeez. However, Katan only lost half, 41% of what 2019 Biggest Loser lost, as WeWork Adam shed 80% of his wealth. So they're trying to compare with that WeWork guy. Who cares? I'm trying to actually skim through to see who the wealthiest besides CZ and this Haran guy, right? Or whatever the hell his name was, Izan. So Brian Armstrong looks like he hit the list. Or is it someone else? Hold on. Okay, 5 out of the 6 crypto wealthy this year run cryptocurrency exchanges. And OKX executive. Oh, the OK executive. I think he's the one, another billionaire. Has around 1.4 billion. And then next thing is Coinbase founder Brian Armstrong, 1 billion as well. I'm surprised Brian Armstrong from Coinbase actually only got 1 billion. I thought he would be worth way more, since Coinbase is such a huge platform for people, especially in the US, to buy crypto, right? It said Armstrong recently made headlines for his wealth as the chief executive of Coinbase, runs the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the US. During a recent interview while Armstrong was discussing the benefits of cryptocurrency and his wealth, the 37-year-old said, "I wanted the world to have a global, open financial system that drove innovation and freedom." Or good for him, right? But anyway, I think this is really, but my point is, like, you can, we don't know who is going to be on this list, right? Like, it's possible it could be someone holding Zilliqa or Ethereum. We don't know that, right? It's just it's a very risky thing to get into, but at the same time, as long as you believe in what you're investing in, and it's possible you could be on the list of the richest crypto billionaire, right? So anyway, this is going to be it for this video. Really, just like I said, I just want to talk about these richest billionaire in cryptos and why that I think it inspired me to get into this particular, market instead of just stock market. I really enjoy crypto market. I think it has a huge potential, and it's still early. So I'm here. I'm not leaving. I'm holding Zilliqa. I'm holding Ethereum and a lot of other cryptocurrency All right, so be sure to subscribe if you can. Until next time, all right, guys, peace.